Hey, it's Vanessa Short. Let's do our makeup. Starting with my main color, and I'm using the small side of the blush and bronzer. I like to put this everywhere, and then I build up where I need a little bit of coverage. Now I'm applying my contour around the edges, high on my cheekbone, jawline, and then I sculpt my nose out a little bit and put a little bit under my lip just to add a little fullness. Now I'm grabbing a smaller brush. This is the blend brush, and I'm using my lightest foundation. So this is my brightening highlight. I like to put it on the inner and outer corner of my eyes, and then where I want to create a little more pop under that cheekbone. Now I'm just going to blend that with the blush and bronzer again. Now I'm adding bronzer on the high points of my face. I love this. I even put a little bit on my eyes, and then I'm grabbing my cheek color, getting that up kind of higher on my cheeks, a little bit further back than the apples, and then on my lips, and even a little bit on my eyelids. Now I'm grabbing my contour, and I'm using the multitasker brush to fill in my brows. You can use this as eyeliner and eyeshadow too if you want. But on my second level, I'm going to grab some eyeshadow, put a little bit above my crease and under my eye just to create a little bit more of a shadow there. And then I'm grabbing a lighter color for under the brow and inner corner. And then I love applying shimmers with my finger just on the center of my lid. And now I almost forgot my illuminator, but put a little bit of that on the high points of my cheekbones, down my nose, as lip gloss in the inner corners. I love that stuff. And then my mascara. One thing I love about this is everything is in one compact, a few brushes. I can find everything easily. This look only took 5 minutes. Message me for your own custom compact.